how to withdraw money from Just Market. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from Just Market. Alright, so let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is obviously look into your Just Market account, and when you are signed in, you'll be able to see all of your different accounts. So the first thing you need to do is choose the account which you're trying to withdraw money from, and we can just go ahead and click this withdraw button right here. So if you haven't yet verified your account, you will actually get taken to a page like this, and you'll first have to fill in your personal information. So that does include stuff like your name, where you live, and you also need to verify your phone number. However, once you finish verifying your account, you will actually see a page like this. And here's how we can withdraw. As you can see, they've got a ton of different withdrawal methods. So you can choose between worldwide cards, worldwide wallets, or even cryptocurrencies. And you can basically just pick the one that suits you best. So all you have to do is go ahead and click withdraw on the right hand side, and you can then follow the on-screen instructions to actually withdraw your money from Just Markets. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Just Market. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.